To fix Windows 11 high RAM usage at idle, first right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then click on Memory column to sort apps by RAM usage. If you notice any application using an unusually large amount of memory that you don't currently need, select it and click on End Task. Next, switch to the Startup Apps section. If there are programs that you don't want launching every time Windows starts, disable them. This reduces background memory usage after every boot. Once you've finished, click on Start, then restart your PC. After Windows loads again, check whether the idle RAM usage has decreased. If the problem still continues, click on Search type Services, then select Run as Administrator. In the Services window, find SysMain service. Right-click it and choose Properties. Click on Stop, then change the startup type to Disabled. Click on Apply, then OK. Finally, restart your computer once again. After Windows boots up, let it sit idle for a minute and check the RAM usage in Task Manager. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.